Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your capture card and system are compatible. This avoids dead-end troubleshooting. Connect the card to the host via USB 3.0 or PCIe, then power on the source device. Once done, install the manufacturer drivers and any firmware updates so the card reports correct resolutions and frame rates. Make sure display output and HDMI settings on the source match the card's supported formats. This prevents scaling and color space issues later. Only after drivers are verified do you open your streaming software. You now integrate the capture card into your streaming software. Add it as a video source and choose the native resolution and frame rate the card provides so you avoid rescaling artifacts. Then route audio from the card into your mixer or directly into the app, and if audio drifts, apply a short millisecond delay to resync. Next, pick an encoder, hardware offload if your GPU supports it, and set bitrate and keyframe interval to match the streaming platform for stable quality and reduced dropped frames. You finish by performing a private test stream or recording to verify everything works together. Watch for dropped frames, audio drift, and color shifts. If you see problems, lower resolution or bitrate to fit your upload speed, or switch to the hardware encoder to reduce CPU load. Make small adjustments and retest until stable. If things still fail, update firmware and drivers, swap to known good cables, and confirm the source's output settings. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes most capture card issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.